a team of the UP police has reached Mumbai today to question the makers of web series Tandav. Remember, there's been a major controversy over this political web series on Amazon Prime. Multiple complaints have been filed against the director, Amazon Prime India's head, producer, writer and actors for allegedly hurting religious sentiments. And this despite the Tandav team issuing 2 apologies and claiming that they will make changes to the objectionable content. At least 3 FIRs have been registered in Uttar Pradesh against the makers and artists of Tandav, and in BJP-ruled Madhya Pradesh as well. The police in Jabalpur district have filed a case against the web series after a complaint by the Hindu Seva Parishad group, which is a right-wing group. Deputy Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh has also tweeted, Keshav Prasad Maurya tweeting that they're guilty of hurting religious sentiments and stringent legal action will be taken. Well, let's go across to Alok for more on this. And Alok, so the UP police team is now in Mumbai, and now they're going to attempt to question, the makers of this series Tandav, and clearly the UP government really putting its might behind this and making it into a very big issue.
Well, yes, it is, Gargi. Remember that in the case of the FIR where the Lucknow police team has travelled to Mumbai, the FIR has been filed by a sub-inspector who is posted to the Hazratganj police station, where the FIR has also been registered. And in his FIR, he says that he has filed the FIR after going through the contents of the web series as ordered by his superiors. So clearly here, like you say, I think the phrase government or the term government might is very apt here, because that is what seems to have happened. Also interesting that despite 2 apologies and one commitment to remove the objectionable scenes or parts of the web series, if I understand correctly, you still have the Deputy Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Mr. Maurya, tweeting this morning, and a strong tweet. You see, he uses the word apradhi. And yes, of course, there's a context to it, but he could have used a less stronger term in the context, perhaps doshi, guilty. But he uses the word apradhi, suggesting that these people have committed a crime and that they will face legal action for it. Now that a Lucknow police team has reached Mumbai, it remains to be seen how they are going to go ahead with questioning or anything else that they may want to do. The section invoked in the FIR is 153A, that's the main section. And that deals with promoting enmity on the grounds of religion. And this is a serious section of the law. So one waits to see how this 4-member police team, which is from Lucknow's Hazratganj police station, how they go ahead with whatever they do.
All right. Thanks so much, Alok, for joining us with those details.
This is NDTV. And you're watching NDTV 24/7.